we're back again for more bigger episode for today's video. Can you see this? How considerate, how demure. So, what you see is one of my income here on the Kilife app. Very considerate, very thoughtful, very demure. So this video will show the proofs of my income here on Nikki Life. Very considerate, very thoughtful, very demure, very cutesy. And you know what? It is so fast. In just 1 to 2 hours, you can receive it directly on our account. So,